My dear viewers of Madani channel, I welcome to all the viewers in our new episode, Learn Quran. Inshallah Azawajal, today we will learn some more verses of Surah Baqarah. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala says, وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ أَبَى وَاسْتَكْبَرَ وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ. And when we said to Malaika, angels, make sajda to Adam ala nabiyina wa alayhi salatu wassalam. So all the angels, they made sajda, but Iblis, his actual name is Azazil. He was the teacher of Malaika. Every Muslim should know that there are basically two kinds of sajda. The one kind is sajda ibadat, and the second kind is sajda ta'zimi. And it should be in our mind that each and every sajda is not kufr. If someone, he is doing any sajda to pay respect to someone and his intention is not for worshipping that person, so it is haram, it is najaiz, it's not allowed in Sharia. It's gunah, it's sin, but not shirk or kufr.
देखिए सिलसिला लर्न कुरान बरोज बुध मदीना मुनव्वरा में रात 4:30 बजे, पाकिस्तान में सुबह 6:30 बजे, मदनी चैनल पर।
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।